So I saw this post on LinkedIn looking for feedback on 3 different names of this new pizza: Veggie Feast, Veg Tex-Mex, and I guess another Veg Tex-Mex. So thought I'd throw it into our OpenClaw bot that uses the PickFu MCP and PickFu command line interface. And so let's give it a try. So let me ask Polly. That's what I named our bot. Polly, can you help me get feedback on these 3 images? First, cut them up into 3 different images. Don't include the label text below. And run a PickFu poll. All right, let's see what happens. Did pretty good on this crop. Let's take a look at the preview. Let's change the sample size to 15 and the question to something like, which pizza would you buy? Yep, 15 responses. Which pizza would you buy? Okay, let's publish it. All right, so it's been running for a few minutes now. You can see that there's 12 responses over here that will load up. But we could probably check over here and ask, how's the survey doing? And see what's going on. So just to elaborate a little bit about this. So Polly is a Slack bot that we've installed into our organization. It is run by OpenClaw, and it has a PickFu skill. And there's a PickFu skill. If you're running OpenClaw, you can go install it. It's on the Open Marketplace, the Claw Hub Marketplace. And it uses either the PickFu MCP, which is a connector that allows AI agents to chat with other tools and services, or the command line interface. So that's another way that Polly can use it, and so it can install it itself and everything. So it sees the partial status. That's 13 of 15 responses, which is what we have over here. And so we'll just wait a couple more minutes for this to finish. Cool. And just like that, the survey's done. So let's ask it to check on the survey. All right. So that was a little hiccup there. So I did ask it to double check the results, and then it did come back now with the same responses we have here, 6, 5, and 4. So actually A did edge it out. So, always double check these things. So analyze the feedback and explain why A won. Okay, so people did like the Feast, which I think is the new name that they were testing. So it's close. It's not I would keep working on this, maybe do a head-to-head test just between A and C and see how the audience pans out. If this is targeted towards vegetarian people, you could target vegetarians. You could also look at the demographic breakdown over here. You could request the dietary habits, and you could see how omnivores versus vegetarians differ, or you could target vegetarians themselves. So yeah, that's PickFu using OpenClaw.